Okay, so I have a confession to make this morning.
Oh no, what did you do?
I walked into the office and my coworker asked how I was, and I said, I am been tired.
You said what?
I am been tired. Out loud. In front of everyone. She just stared at me.
I am so sorry, but honestly, I once wrote I being happy about the project in an email to my boss.
No.
Yes, my boss replied, "Are you okay?"
Okay, so we are both disasters. And if you are listening right now thinking, I do the same thing, you are in the right place.
You are. Welcome to Ash and Paul. We drop a brand new episode every single day, and today we are fixing be, been, and being once and for all.
And before we start, there's a free companion practice sheet pinned in the comments. Grab it. It has every example from today written out for you.
Perfect. Ash, are you ready to never say I am been again?
I was born ready.
That was terrible, but fine, let's go.
Okay, so if you are listening right now and you've ever frozen mid-sentence trying to pick between these three words, you are absolutely not alone. This confuses millions of learners.
Millions. But by the end of today, no more freezing. First word, be. Just be.
The simple one.
Simple, but picture this. You're at a conference with a little sticky name tag on your shirt, and that name tag just says who you are. Hello, I am Ash. I am a teacher. That's be.
So be isn't an action, like running or cooking.
Exactly. It's a state, your identity. You're not doing anything, you just are something.
Give me an example. If I'm starting a new job and someone asks my goal,
You say, I want to be a good manager.
I want to be a good manager. And if my friend is nervous before a flight,
Try to be calm.
try to be calm. What about a mom talking to her kid before school?
She keeps it simple. Be careful crossing the street. Be kind to your classmates. Be quiet in the library.
No complicated grammar at all. Just be plus the instruction.
Exactly. And if a friend is nervous before a big interview?
You'd say, just be yourself.
Right. Never are yourself. Always be yourself.
Okay, I'm noticing a pattern. Be keeps showing up after to.
Yes, that's rule number 1. Be almost always follows to. We call that the infinitive.
And what about can, should, might?
Same idea. Be follows modal verbs too. You should be proud. She might be late. But notice no to after a modal. Just should be, might be.
Got it. So the name tag rule. Be comes after to or after a modal, and it describes a state or identity, not an action.
Perfectly summarized. The name tag tells the world who you are or what state you're in.
Locked in. Now, the word that ruined my morning. Been.
Where most people crash. Okay, picture a shelf in your living room, a memory shelf. On it, you keep souvenirs from your life, a ticket stub, a seashell, a photo.
Things from the past.
Right, but you can still look at them today, and they still matter. That's been. It connects your past to your present. I have been to Tokyo. You went, you came back, but the experience still sits on your shelf.
Wait, quick side note. How do we even say this word? I've heard people say it two totally different ways. Good catch.
Some teachers say bean with a long E, like the vegetable. But in fast, real conversation, native speakers almost never say that.
What do they say instead?
Short, bin, like a trash bin. I've been busy, not I've been busy, just I've been busy.
I've been busy.
Exactly, much faster and more natural. And once your ear catches that little bin sound, movies and songs get so much easier to follow.
Been equals been. Got it. Okay, and what about a friend who's worked 60-hour weeks?
She has been busy all week. The busyness started earlier, and it's still true now.
Is that different from I've been learning English for 2 years?
Good catch. It's a slightly different flavor of the same shelf. That one's not finished. It's still going right now. You started 2 years ago, and you're still learning today.
So the trip to Tokyo is finished, but the learning is still happening.
Exactly. Both live on the memory shelf, connecting past to present. One's just still in progress. Same with feelings. It's been a long day. Means the tiredness started this morning, and you still feel it now. Or, the weather has been nice this week. It started being nice, and it still is.
This is exactly how it shows up when you're catching up with friends, right? Like, what have you been doing lately?
Exactly that. And you'd answer, I've been working on a new project, or we've been planning a trip. It's the perfect phrase after not seeing someone for a while.
Okay, but here's my problem. Why does I am been tired sound so wrong?
Because a souvenir can't float in the air. It needs the shelf to sit on. Been always needs a helper. Have, has, or had. Never am, is, or are.
I have been tired. She has been busy. They had been waiting.
No robot voice at all.
Okay, one more thing that always confuses me. If I say I have been to Paris, does that mean I'm there right now?
No, this is actually one of the biggest traps in all of English. If you say she's gone to the doctor, she is still there.
Still there?
But if you say she's been to the doctor, it means she went and she came back already.
So gone means still there. Been means there and back.
Exactly. Same with I have been to Paris. I went, I saw the tower, I came home. If I were still standing there, I'd just say I am in Paris. No been.
So if my coworker says she's gone to lunch, she's still out. But if she says she's been to lunch already, she's back at her desk.
Exactly. You've got it.
Okay, that trap alone probably saves people from a very confusing conversation.
It really does. So, the golden rule, been always needs have, has, or had in front of it, and it always means there and back, never still there.
Have, has, had, not am, is, are. Got it.
And with that, you're ready for the third word, the one that lives entirely in the present moment.
The spotlight?
The spotlight. Picture a dark theater stage and one single spotlight lighting up whatever is happening right now. Not yesterday, not forever, just this second. And when the scene changes, the spotlight moves.
So being isn't who you are, it's how you're acting right now.
Exactly. Listen to these two sentences. You are rude and you are being rude.
Those feel really different.
They are. You are rude is the name tag, your whole personality forever. But you are being rude is the spotlight, just right now, in this moment. Maybe tomorrow you're sweet again.
That's so much kinder. It gives someone a chance to change.
Exactly. So if your usually chatty coworker goes quiet today,
He is being quiet today.
perfect. And what does the spotlight need to turn on?
Electricity?
Exactly. Being needs a helper too. Am, is, are, was, or were. You can't say I being tired. You need I am being tired.
Am, is, are, was, were. The batteries.
The batteries. Without them, the stage stays dark.
Let's try a mini game. I describe a weird situation. You answer with a being sentence.
Deal, hit me.
My little brother, who's normally super loud, is whispering today.
He is being quiet today.
My boss, who never smiles, is laughing at every joke in the meeting.
She is being very friendly today.
My cat, who usually ignores everyone, is sitting on my lap purring.
Your cat is being affectionate right now.
The spotlight's on the cat, and the cat doesn't care about grammar.
One more thing about the spotlight. It also shows up when something's happening to someone right now. Like, my car is being fixed.
So the car isn't doing anything, the mechanic is doing it to the car.
Exactly. And we don't even care who's fixing it. The focus is just on the car right now. Dinner is being served. The tickets have already been booked. See, that one uses the shelf instead because it's finished.
Being for right now, been for already done.
One last trick with being. Sometimes it acts like a noun, starting the whole sentence.
Wait, being can be a noun?
Sort of. We call it a gerund. Like, being a teacher is amazing.
Oh, I see. Being a teacher is the subject there, not a behavior.
Exactly. Or, being a parent comes with a lot of responsibility. Or, I hate being late for meetings.
I hate being late too, honestly. So much stress.
Same. So whenever being starts a sentence like that, it's working as a noun, not describing temporary behavior.
Okay, I want to see all three side by side. Same word, 3 sentences.
Let's do it with confident. Name tag first.
I want to be confident.
Memory shelf.
I have been confident lately.
And spotlight.
You are being confident today.
Same word, three completely different pictures. Let's try honest.
I want to be honest. She has been honest with me. You are being honest right now.
3 for 3, no hesitation.
Deal, hit me.
My little brother, who's normally super loud, is whispering today.
He is being quiet today.
My boss, who never smiles, is laughing at every joke in the meeting.
She is being very friendly today.
My cat, who usually ignores everyone, is sitting on my lap purring.
Your cat is being affectionate right now.
The spotlight's on the cat, and the cat doesn't care about grammar.
One more thing about the spotlight. It also shows up when something's happening to someone right now. Like, my car is being fixed.
So the car isn't doing anything, the mechanic is doing it to the car.
Exactly. And we don't even care who's fixing it. The focus is just on the car right now. Dinner is being served. The tickets have already been booked. See, that one uses the shelf instead because it's finished.
Being for right now, been for already done.
One last trick with being. Sometimes it acts like a noun, starting the whole sentence.
Wait, being can be a noun?
Sort of. We call it a gerund. Like, being a teacher is amazing.
Oh, I see. Being a teacher is the subject there, not a behavior.
Exactly. Or, being a parent comes with a lot of responsibility. Or, I hate being late for meetings.
I hate being late too, honestly. So much stress.
Same. So whenever being starts a sentence like that, it's working as a noun, not describing temporary behavior.
Okay, I want to see all three side by side. Same word, 3 sentences.
Let's do it with confident. Name tag first.
I want to be confident.
Memory shelf.
I have been confident lately.
And spotlight.
You are being confident today.
Same word, 3 completely different pictures. Let's try honest.
I want to be honest. She has been honest with me. You are being honest right now.
3 for 3, no hesitation.
Especially him, actually.
Fair. The point isn't to feel bad, it's to spot the pattern so it clicks for good. Real mistakes, real fixes.
Safety goggles on.
Mistake 1. I am been hungry.
The problem is am. Been needs a shelf. I have been hungry.
Correct. Mistake 2. I being excited.
Missing the batteries. I am being excited.
Perfect. Mistake 3. She has being late every day.
Has is a shelf word. It needs been on top. She has been late every day.
Fixed instantly. Mistake 4. He has been working since morning.
Is a spotlight battery, but been is a souvenir. You can't put a souvenir on a battery. You need a shelf. So, he has been working since morning.
Correct. Has goes with been, is goes with being. Never mix them. Last one. She has gone to Paris last year, and now she's back.
If she's back, we don't say gone. Gone means still there. It should be, she has been to Paris.
You caught the sneakiest trap of the whole lesson. One more. You need to being patient.
Need to is an infinitive pattern, so after to, we always use the plain name tag form. You need to be patient.
Perfect. The name tag wins after 2, not the spotlight.
I'm taking off my goggles, feeling like a surgeon who just saved 6 patients.
A very dramatic surgeon.
I am being dramatic. Spotlight. Temporary.
Okay, let's hear these words live inside a real conversation. Round 1. We're coworkers prepping for a big client meeting. Hey Ash, you need to be ready for the 2 o'clock meeting. The client is very demanding.
I know, Paul. Honestly, I've been stressed all morning. I've been reviewing the slides 3 times.
Take a breath. You're being too hard on yourself. The presentation looks great.
Maybe. I just really want to be professional today.
You will be. You've been preparing all week. Just be yourself.
And scene.
Quick breakdown. You need to be ready is the name tag and identity for the meeting. I've been stressed is the memory shelf, started earlier, still true. And you're being too hard on yourself is the spotlight, just in that moment.
Round 2. Old friends catching up on the phone. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hey, it's been forever. What have you been doing with your life?
I've been learning guitar, actually, every single evening.
No way! You're being so creative. I never knew you played music.
I know, right? I just really want to be good at something. Guitar felt right.
Well, you've been practicing, so I'm sure you're getting better every day.
Thanks. And honestly, I want to be good enough to play at an open mic someday.
You should go for it. You've been putting in the work. It'll pay off.
And scene.
Let's break that down fast. What have you been doing? Memory shelf, asking about experience over time.
I've been learning guitar, still the shelf, started earlier and still going.
You're being so creative. Spotlight, commenting on behavior right now in this call.
And I want to be good at something, back to the name tag, a goal, and identity.
4 sentences, 3 forms, and neither of us stop to think about grammar.
Because once you see the pictures, the grammar just flows. Okay, quickfire round, Ash. Ready?
Cracking knuckles, born ready.
A traveler just came back from Italy.
I have been to Italy.
A mother hasn't slept in 3 days.
She has been exhausted.
A usually sweet waiter is snapping at customers tonight.
He is being rude tonight.
Someone's dream for next year.
I want to be a writer.
A student started studying in January and is still going.
I have been studying since January.
Your friend is acting super weird today.
You are being strange today.
A coworker has worked overtime every night this month.
She has been working overtime all month.
Your cat, who never does this, is sitting on your keyboard right now.
My cat is being annoying right now.
Someone's goal before a job interview.
I need to be confident.
A kid is crying because his ice cream fell.
Stop being dramatic.
10 for 10. You didn't miss a single one.
I have been practicing.
Okay, let's bring it home. Final recap, no jokes this time. Picture 1, the name tag, be, who you are or what state you're in. Follows 2, or a modal. I want to be, you should be, she might be.
Picture 2, the memory shelf, been, your past experiences still connected to today. Always follows have, has, or had. And remember, been means there and back, gone means still there. Picture 3, the spotlight, being, temporary behavior, right now, this second. Always follows am, is, are, was, or were. Name tag for who you are, memory shelf for what you've lived through, spotlight for what's happening this exact second.
And the 2 biggest traps to remember. Been means there and back, gone means still there. And is a personality, is being is just today.
3 pictures, 2 traps, and if you remember nothing else from today, just remember the pictures.
The full practice sheet with every example is pinned in the comments. Grab it and stick it on your fridge next to Ash's.
Please send me that photo.
If this episode made these 3 words click for you, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn on the bell. It really helps other learners just like you find these lessons, and we post a brand new episode every single day, so there's always something new to practice with us.
Here's your homework. Tell us in the comments your score from the mistake lab. Be honest, we're not judging.
I got 0 the first time I tried this.
You did. And here's your question of the day. Write 1 sentence using been about something you've done this week.
Maybe I have been studying English. Maybe I have been to a new cafe. We'll read and reply to every single one.
Thank you for being here, for being patient, and for being brave enough to learn out loud.
You're being wonderful listeners right now. Spotlight. Temporary, but very real.
He used the lesson in the goodbye. I'm so proud.
I've been proud of you this whole episode, honestly.
That means a lot, and I want to be proud of you forever. Name tag, identity, done.
And since we post daily, tomorrow's episode builds right on top of today's, so you'll never lose momentum.
We'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same channel.
Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and for the love of everything, stop saying I am been tired.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.